So these are made by me, okay? So I already know what's in them, but you don't. By the way, it's already put together, so... By the way, I'm gonna do some ASMR like most unboxing videos are. Okay, so let's get right into it. So, take 3 guesses what's in here. I'll give you like 30 seconds. So I gave you 30 seconds to guess what's in this. Ready? So I'm gonna take this thing in the back out. Take this off. By the way, the toy is out of a Kinder Egg. Guess what mascot it is? I have no idea. Let's basketball one. If you guessed whatever this one is, you're correct. You're correct. By the way, if you know what it is, please tell me in the comments what mascot this is for. What basketball mascot this is. Oh, it even has a basketball right there. Yeah, I've been on that. I just falling off. I think most of them are. So this whole thing is going to be about unboxing. So let's see. So guys, today we're going to be OMG, some cute little bunny ears, even though Easter is already passed and it's been like a month. So yeah, I got these all on Easter. Except this I didn't get on Easter. So isn't this cute? So they're kind of about to fall off, but yeah. I'm gonna be wearing these the rest of the video, I think. Tell me if this gonna jump scare. I'm scared. Opening your. They fell off. Wow. And guys, don't in the comments be like, they pulled them up. No, they were already falling off my head. Ooh. I bet the little kids are gonna be thinking, it's a ghost! Stop lying to us! It's a ghost! It's not a ghost, okay? Literally. Even like a 5-year-old will be saying. Let's be unboxing the mystery. Hey. Get this package. What are these? We can't do that unboxing thing, but we can do this. So guess what's behind this? Oh, guess what's behind it? Okay, I'll give y'all some hints. It's color. I'll give y'all hints. So it's colorful, it's candy, and it's a very popular candy, I think. A very popular kind of candy. Well, at least I think. And I'll give you another hint. It's sour. It's kind of sour. Not that sour, but it's kind of. And they're the same in any kind, I think. And it's Easter themed. and it has a, in the name, the first word has an S at the start, R at the end. The second word has a P at the start and H at the end. And then the third word has a K at the start and a S at the end. K at the start and S at the end. And then this is what kind they are. They're bunnies. So it's Easter themed. Blop. And I'm going to show it real quick. If you pause the video, you are a cheater. You guessed right. And it says, dude, seriously, on the back is pretty funny. If you don't know what they are, you are bad. You are not popular. I'll show them. I'll just keep showing them until someone actually pauses the video. I'm gonna eat one right now. Are they opened? Or do I need to open them? Oh yeah, I got some yesterday. Forgot. I'll give you 30 seconds. I'll give you a minute to guess. No, I'll give you just 30 seconds. No, I'll actually give you a minute. Sour, sweet, gone. Give me a minute. Sour Patch Kids. Can't see it because the camera makes it flipped. But it's Sour Patch Kids. On the back there's a thing. The green one, the red one ate a little bit of the green one. It ate its own kind. Yeah. And the green one said, dude, seriously. Guys, it's outro time. This is gonna be my outro for a little bit because I'm gonna eat these peeps. So hey Peep. Hey Peep, what are your ideas for the weekend? I don't know, maybe kissing my BF? What the? I am your BF. You know what? That are not my ideas. I actually plan on going vacation. Girl, you are my best friend, not my BF. That's weird. Hugs. Bye. So, bye guys. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Bye. Have a good day or have a good night.